First meal. Bukopay. Pauwi na pala ako guys. Naka 4 clients tayo ng morning. Buti rest day. So guys, nasa gym na tayo. Tapos nag-video shoot namin. Turo lang ulit tayo ng isang client. 3 to 4. Then after nun, yung kasunod 8 to 9 na ulit. So let's go. Urusan na natin. 4 5. Last meal na guys. So yun guys, that's it for today. 2 meal lang ginawa ko ngayon. Yung last meal doon ko na nilagay lahat ng protein ko. Wala akong appetite kaninang umaga eh. So ngayon ako medyo nagutom. Yun lang guys, that's it for today. Total of 5 clients tayo today and nag-cancel yung 2. But still good. Lagay ko na lang pala dito guys yung macros and calories ng kinain ko. So yun, tuloy-tuloy lang natin to. Pang day 35. Pang day 35 or 36 na yata natin sa cutting pace natin. So that's it for today guys. See you again tomorrow. Upper body tayo bukas. Let's go.